Okay, sige. Race 15. Justin Ramilo versus Ash Aiden ng Cavite. Live ball. Time to shoot. First miss by Ramilo. First possession to Ash. 10-second shot clock. Ash brings it up. Basket 1-0. No 2 points. 1 point only. Ramilo on the move. Ramilo is up. No basket. But there's a foul. One personal foul. Cavite. Ramilo again. Nakawala si Ramilo. He's the basket. All one. Ash on the ball. 10 to shoot. Ash. Scoop shot. First personal foul. Ash again. Ash. Nice move. Nice break. Back up line.
Bondo.
Ramilo. 10 to shoot. Spin. Lays up and in. 2-1. 10 seconds to shoot. Scalabay by Ash. Second personal foul, Justin Ramilo. Scalabay by Ash. 10 to shoot. Ash, nawala. Another no basket, pero third personal foul by Ramilo. To shoot. Spin. No basket. Fourth personal foul, Justin Ramilo. Nice move. No basket. 5 personal foul, Justin Ramilo.
Wait lang. Loading ako.
Nice spin by Ash, but he missed the layup. Sorry, miss, parang Ash yun. Ramilo 10 to shoot. Ramilo between step back Jays. Almost by Ramilo. Ash Legal. Jumper. Is good. All two. We shall score all two.
Good.
10 to shoot, Ramilo. And there's a foul by Ash. Second personal foul by Ash Aiden. Nice steal by Ash. Ash looking for a lead. The jumper is short. Batting at his own miss. Loses control. Oh, what a shot by Ash, but he can't finish the play. 10 to shoot by Ramilo. Justin, crossover. Jumper by Ramilo, short. And Ash on the wall. Ash puts it up. Way off. Ramilo on the move. Creating a play. 10-second shot clock. The jumper is good. 3-2. Ramilo. 10-second shot clock. Ash power. Scalabay. Creating space. Gets the basket. All three. Continuous shot clock. Continuous shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Ramilo 5 to shoot. Ramilo's foul. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. Ramilo the pump fake. Off the glass is good. Another lead for Ramilo for 3. 10-second shot clock. Ash spin, fakes, loses the ball. 3 seconds to shoot. To shoot. Shot clock 3 seconds. Ash can't get the bounce. Ramilo looking for the air. Scalabay by Ramilo. Layup. Airborne. Time to shoot. And there's a foul. Fourth personal foul. Ash.
Okay, ayos na, reset yan.
Time to shoot. Jumper by Milano. No good. Ash looking for the tie. Time to shoot for Ash. Mid-range. No good. Nice break. Warning for penalty. Ramilo. Warning for penalty. Time to shoot. Scalabay. Reverse. No good. Time to shoot. Ramilo. Powering by Ramilo. Good defense. Good defense by Ash. 4-second shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. Good. Good ball. Time to shoot for Ash. Ash for the tie. It's good. On 4. Time to shoot. No basket. 5 personal foul by Ash. Warning for penalty. Both players. Warning for penalty. Penalty. Timeout. Cavite. Diba? Sila wala. Kalubang. Timeout. Score. 5-4. Ramilo. Ash. Scalabay. Time to shoot. Good spin. Another Scalabay. And the layup is no good. Quick release. Got second chance points. On 5. Penalty. Officers are all 5. Reviewing Masan TV. Masan Chaki. Reviewing. 6-5. 10 to shoot. 7 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Okay, 7 pa rin, 7. 7 to shoot, ha? 5 to shoot. Penalty. Official score all 6. Ramilo breaking. Nice bully basketball for Destin Ramilo. 7-6. Time to shoot. Penalty. Official score all 7. Race 15. Loses control. And a chance for Ash to take the lead for the first time. Ash looking for a play. Chance for Ash.
Hindi ba alam yung iba niya?
Cage Claymore, Ash, 8-7. Another bully. Okay, turnover. Big defense. Ash, Sky good spin. Ash spinning again. Another basket for Ash. 9-7. 10 to shoot by Ramilo. And there's a foul by Ash. Penalty.
Nice one.
Oh, bad miss for Ramilo. Ash looking for a pound. 10 to shoot. Scalabay, lays it up, lays it in. 10-7. Tatlo na naman. Kaya na si Ramilo. Another foul by Ash. Ash for the jumper is good. 11-7 for Ash. Ramilo on the move. Ramilo. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Warning Ash for delaying the game. Ramilo attacks. Ramilo lays on it. 11-8. Ash 10-second shot clock. Ash attacks. Ash is fouled. Penalty. Consistent free throw for Ash Island. 12-8. Official score 12-8. Ramilo looking for a basket. Ramilo spin. It's foul. Penalty.
Para sure ball ah. Huwag mo nang angas. Nice one.
Finally, Ramilo gets a free throw. 12-9. Official score 12-9. Jumper by Ash is good again. Another consistent mid-range for Ash. Warning 9. Ramilo iniwasan ni Ash. Very easy basket yun. 3-0. Warning 0. Ash breaks. Ash step back. Flash for Ash Island. Enters the foul. Good decision making for Ash. Timeout, Cavite. Oh, sorry, timeout Taluga.
Siya, hindi ko na time out.
Sige na. Okay, print lang.
Okay. Wala niya time out.
4-1. Last one. Ash looking for the win.
All out pare, all out.
Ash. Scalabay. Ash. Switch to the right. Ash found the win. Nice game. Congratulations to Ash.
Nice. Cast out. Ash. Ash.